Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Ford Explorer gas tank. First, always make sure your vehicle is safely parked and completely turned off before attempting to refuel. The fuel door is typically found on the driver's side rear of your Explorer. For many models, a simple gentle press on the center rear edge of the door will cause it to pop open. Some Ford Explorers also have an electronic release button inside, usually located near the driver's seat or on the center console. If your fuel door doesn't open electronically or by pressing it, there's a manual override. You'll need to access the luggage compartment or trunk of your Explorer. On the right side, behind a small panel, you should find the manual release lever. Pull this lever to open the fuel filler door. Remember, for this manual method to work correctly, your vehicle must be in park and the ignition should be on. Encountering a stuck fuel door can be frustrating, but there are common solutions. First, visually inspect the area around the door for any obstructions, such as ice, snow, or dirt, which can prevent it from opening. Many Explorer fuel doors operate mechanically and do not have a dedicated fuse. If it's still stuck, you can try gently inserting a thin plastic tool, like a credit card, into the gap and carefully prying it open. Also, check the hinge and release mechanism for any signs of damage. To ensure smooth refueling and prevent future issues, always turn off your Explorer's engine before you start pumping gas. When using the capless fuel system, slowly insert the fuel nozzle fully into the filler neck. After you've finished pumping, wait about 5 to 10 seconds before removing the nozzle. This allows any residual fuel to drain. Also, avoid overfilling the tank, as this can lead to fuel spillage and potential problems with the vehicle's emissions system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.